I have been having this question in my DM. How do I line my soap mold? You understand? This is what I do. You can see from what I am doing, it's very easy for me, and I will have access to reuse this mold multiple times as much that I want. Okay, this is another one. You can see how easy, and our soap will come out smooth and shining. So what we need here is our tape, our scissors, and our nylon. Yes, our nylon. The type that I make use of here is the type that we use in packaging our soap in pack. Okay, that's what I use here. You can see that beautiful soap. Okay, so now we are going to get our mold. This is our mold here. We'll be lining from the down part, okay, not the upper one where there is what's it called, not the upper part. So we start by laying in our nylon. You can see to cut the size of the mold, then we go on with our scissors and cut. After we are through cutting, so we'll place it properly to make sure that it's set, okay, on the edges, and we'll have some parts left on the other side. We go on by cutting in our sellotape. You cut into pieces, just cut them, okay, properly cut. This nylon actually is double nylon. Actually, I double the nylon. You know, the way it comes, the way we use it, to see, that's how I use it. Is double. You can use one. I've used one and it's still working for me. Even that pink soap that you see in your mold, I've used that mold more than 5 times and I have not changed the nylon. Okay, so you just go on by putting your first sellotape at the center of the 4 corners of each mold to secure the nylon. Okay, just the way I'm doing now. You secure the nylon at the center of each mold. You do understand now? Then the edge, look at how I'm holding it tight. Drag it and make sure it's firm before you tape it. So when you drag it and it's very firm, you bend it to one part area, then you sellotape it properly, okay, and make sure it's well sellotape. Go on, then do the same thing. You can see before the edge where I bend here, I put tape there first, then I bend it, then tape it again. You repeat these processes round, okay? You repeat it. Can you see what I just did here? I add the sellotape there. I'm adding one here again. Then before I will now, you can see, bend this one, then tape it around. So you repeat the processes round. Then you take your tape and sellotape your mold where the nylon ends, okay, by the edge. You can see from that shape. So you tape it round. You tape it round. After taping it round like that, that is where your mold is starting from the down to where the nylon ends. That is where you are taping to secure the nylon. Then when that is properly done, you go ahead with your tape again and start from the middle of where your first tape ends, the middle of it, and tape it to secure it, so there won't be any form of linkage. There's no how you'll be getting linkage from this soap mold. When you are done, you cut, okay, and that is it. Your mold is ready. Can you see it? It's very beautiful and easy, and you can use it multiple times. Like, you can use it anytime you feel like. You just remove your soap, keep. You don't need to be sellotaping or lining mold every time you want to make soap. You know that your mold is everly ready. So this is me pouring my soap into my mold. Is this simple? This is how I line my mold, and I use them multiple times. Okay, soap that you see me, all the soap that I move from the start, I've used those mold more than 5-6 times and it's still there. Okay, after molding, you just clean it and go and keep and use it anytime you are ready. Have you seen it? This is me pouring my soap. Our online classes is on and our soap cutter is available. Thank you for watching. Bye.